Look closely at Piranesi's engravings. Forget for a moment the dates, the accepted history, and the familiar explanations. Just look. Towering aqueducts, endless palaces, massive staircases, monuments that seem almost impossible in their scale, fountains carved with astonishing elegance. Every stone appears to belong to a civilization of extraordinary ambition. And who are these people anyway? Tiny figures wander through these immense spaces as if they barely notice them. Shepherds drive goats through ruined forums. Cows drink from magnificent fountains. Pigs roam beneath triumphal arches. Ordinary merchants and travelers move among structures that seem to belong to another world. The contrast is unsettling. Do these people look like the builders of such colossal works, or do they look more like inhabitants who arrived long after the creators had disappeared? It is almost as if Piranesi captured a civilization living among the remains of something far older and greater, a world inherited rather than created. His engravings raise questions more than they provide answers. Was he simply documenting 18th century Rome? Or was he quietly preserving evidence that the official story cannot fully explain? Perhaps they were witnesses to a forgotten catastrophe after which life resumed in a quieter, simpler form. New generations adapted. Livestock grazed where emperors once walked. Daily life continued among monuments whose original purpose had already faded into mystery. Piranesi never tells us what to think. He simply asks us to look carefully. And once you truly look, it becomes difficult to stop asking questions. Has anybody been able to understand what any of the statues signify? They're such a huge part of the story, and I feel like there is some underlying symbolism, but I can't seem to get it.